Hello and welcome to Zoom training. I'm going to walk through remote control. So right now I have Valerie here with me to show you what this looks like. So right now we're not sharing any screens, but the first step we need to do is to share a screen. So I'm going to pick the presentation that I want to share. It's going to pop up and select this one and share. There we go. And once I do that, then the remote control option pops up. So you have to be sharing screens and you usually need other people. And then when you click on that, it allows you to then select, in this case, it'll be Valerie, who is RPS Rock. We do that, and then she accepts it. And at that point, she now has control of my mouse. I'm not touching it, and it's moving around. So she can actually click on the slides, and it will progress through them. It's almost reliable. That's what I was saying is like it's a good backup piece to be able to do, but it's not always super consistent because sometimes it requires, depending on what the browser is, to be able to actually use it to work through it. So it's a good backup thing. It's better just to let other presenters share their own slides, but if you need to, this will work in a pinch. So let's know if you have any questions.